So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. So guys, this video is gonna be a very interesting and also a special video because guys, today in this video I am gonna practice the English language. Means in this video I will speak the English, but I don't have any topic. Yes guys, in this video I will practice the English, I will speak the English language but without any topic. Okay, if you also are thinking that I will speak the English language without any topic, it is my topic, then no, wait a second. I will speak the English without any topic and I am making the video, so it is a topic. No, it is not a topic. I am confusing guys, that's why leave it. Just put in your brain that in this video and from this video you are gonna learn that how you can practice the English language without any topic. Okay, if you are thinking that for to speak the English language, for to practice the English language you need a topic, definitely, then guys, today this video are gonna prove you wrong. Okay, just leave it. So guys, the benefit of practicing the English without any topic, it is also very important. Okay guys, many people, many subscribers of my channel, they ask me that Pradeep, we want to speak the English language, we want to practice the English, but when it is time to practice, when it is the time to speaking, we just confuse that what we have to practice. You always tell us that speaking is also like riding the cycle. If you want to speak the English, then you have to speak it like riding a cycle. If you want to ride the cycle, then you have to push the pedal, you have to go near and there, you have to fall down, you have to get up again. So it is also like the speaking. If you want to speak it, then you have to speak it. Doesn't matter what you are speaking, wrong or right, stories, quotes, anything, but you have to speak. So in that moment, what you are gonna speak. Okay guys, it is also very important. But guys, don't worry, in this video I will just show you that how I practice. As I tell you, every morning I get up in the earlier and then I make a video. So my practicing source is making a video, but everyone will not make their own videos. That's why guys, this video is gonna be very special for you. So without any wasting time, let's start the video, let's start my topic. It will be very beneficial for you. So guys, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and after this video give me a comment. So let's start. This quote is very beautiful. It's always inspire me. They laugh at me because I am different, but I laugh at them because they are all same. They laugh at me because I am different, but I laugh at them because they are all same. A few bad chapters doesn't mean your story is in. A few bad chapters doesn't mean your story is over. If you born poor, it is not your mistake. But if you die poor, then it is your mistake. Never stop dying, never stop believing, never give up. Your day will come. So now guys, the advice that I'm gonna give you, it is very beneficial. It can help you to develop your speaking very quickly and also very easily. And it is that the quotes. Yes guys, in our house also we hang many quotes. Like here you can see, it is a very big flags, and in the flags there are many and also 10-20 quotes are there, and they also helps me to develop my speaking, to practice the English language. It is a best source. I always tell to everyone that if you want to speak the English language, if you want to practice the English language, then you can take the help of the quotes. Yes guys, there are many quotes are there in the YouTube, also in the internet, in the Google. So from there you can download some quotes and you can just xerox them. After xeroxing 5, 6, 7 quotes, you can hang the quotes in front of your eyes where you practice. Like I also make many type of videos in my home. That's why my father hang all of the quotes in front of my eyes. Whenever I make any video, the quote just give me motivation, give me confidence. And in my studio also I hang a number of quotes, and whenever I just forget something, and whenever I am just speaking, I speak about the motivation, about the confidence, about speaking skills, then I just use them. They also help me a lot to practice. But now the question is how you will practice quotes. Then guys, I will give you a full and also very beneficial idea. This idea is just explainer quotes. Okay, quotes explaining will help you to develop the idea, to develop your speaking more and more quicker. So whenever just you read a quotes, then just try to understand the quote first of all. Like I will give you a very beautiful quote that they laugh at me because I am different, but I laugh at them because they are all same. I use these quotes in most of my videos, and this quote is also one of my favorite quote. But now just speak the quotes and then try to explain it, try to describe the quotes, that who write the quotes, why, and what motivation this quotes gives us. Like they laugh at me because I am different, I laugh at them because they are all same. If you want to be successful in your life, then you have to do something different from the people. Just remember guys, that in my channel I also always give advice to read the stories, to explain the story. If you can explain a story, then you also are gonna develop your speaking. You can stoke more and more words, more and more sentences, and that your grammatical mistakes also you can solve. So it is many of the society members, it can be many people that will just advise you only one thing, it is that read the grammar. But try to do something new. Everyone, every YouTuber, they also just speak the English language in front of a board, it can be in front of something, and also everyone practice the English in front of a mirror, it can be, and also in front of a green screen and anywhere. But guys, I don't do the same. I also like to make the videos in outdoor. Now I am in home, but if you just watch my previous video, then you can understand. I also went to the Nirmahal, and then I just explained the whole Nirmahal. I talk with the fishermen of there, some local people, and also I described the Nirmahal. But I was in the Nirmahal. So guys, you can watch this video. After this video I will give you a link in the description also, and you can like get the video from my in screen. So that's why I always just tell to everyone, just try to do something new. So this course also teach us this thing, that when you will do something new, then all of the people, they will laugh at you. But one day you will laugh at them because they are doing the simple thing, but you are not doing the same thing. So this thing, you also can practice the English language. You can speak the English language with a simple small quotes many times. So guys, this thing, you don't need any topic, any particular topic, but you just need one thing, and it is that speaking. Speak anything, make your own words, speak your story, what you did yesterday, what is your daily routine, just speak it. Like whenever I also wanna practice the English language, but I don't get any topic to speak, then I just think about that what I did yesterday. Okay, what you did yesterday, it is also one of a very beneficial idea. You don't have to do anything, just explain what you did yesterday. Like first I woke up in the morning, and then I freshened up. I also took my study books, I read for a moment, and then I and my father and my sister with our van car, we went to the Nirmahal, and then in Nirmahal I made a very beautiful video, describe the whole Nirmahal. And after doing all of that, near about 12 or 1 o'clock, I returned to home with my father, and then I also edited my video with my father, and I just took some power nap. After waking up, I went to my neighbor playground, and then I also played with my friends, and then after doing that I returned to home. And then after returning home, I just posted the video in the YouTube, and I like linked some tags, hashtags, title, and also all of the beneficial thing that we do. And then after doing all of that, I took my tiffin near about 7 o'clock. It was a light tiffin, and then I watched the TV for a moment. After watching TV, I took my dinner with all of my family members, and then after taking that, I prepared my bed, and then I slept. So this simple thing, just think what you did yesterday and then speak. So the benefits of this practice, it is that you can also develop your past tense. Okay, if you notice, then you can understand that I used the past form in every sentences. So that's why I tell that my ideas are not also useless, they will help you in every moment. It was my video, and I think I could understand you that how I practice the English without any topic. And if you want another video with the same topic, then guys, please comment me and I will try to make another. So bye bye, I will meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please guys, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, like this video, and also give you a beautiful comment. And now here you can see it is the video of the Nirmal. Just click it and watch it. Bye bye. Oh. So listen English, read English, write English, but speak English with Pradeep Burman.